In this video, we will demonstrate the proper way to use a bunsen burner. To use a bunsen burner, you will need the equipment shown here. A bunsen burner, rubber tubing, a flint striker, and a source of gas. Remember your safety rules when using a bunsen burner. Make sure to tie back any long hair, no loose sleeves, and of course, always wear your safety goggles. Do not heat any flammable materials such as alcohols on the Bunsen burners. Never leave the Bunsen burner unattended when it is lit. And lastly, while in use, touch only the bottom of the barrel because the top will become very hot because of the flame. It's a good practice to always handle the Bunsen burner as if it is hot to prevent any accidental burns. Review all your safety information such as emergency exits and gas shutoffs before using the Bunsen burner. You will begin by checking the rubber tubing for any holes or cracks. If the tube is intact, then attach one end to the rubber tubing and one to the gas intake nozzle, then the other end to the Bunsen burner. Double check that the line you are attaching the rubber tubing to the gas line it is not the air or vacuum line. There are two adjustments on the Bunsen burner barrel. The base of the Bunsen burner turns and controls the air intake. Turn clockwise to close the valve, turn counterclockwise to open the valve. The wheel at the bottom is the gas needle valve. That controls the gas intake. Turn it counterclockwise to close and close the valve clockwise to open. Next, hold the flint striker over the barrel of the Bunsen burner and strike a spark. To strike a spark, quickly squeeze the handle of the flint striker up and across. This will rub the flint on the striker arm against the rough surface and create a spark. It might help to practice a few times before you turn on the gas to the Bunsen burner. You can now adjust the flame height by turning the gas needle valve. To get a taller flame, turn the gas needle valve clockwise to increase the gas flow. Turn the valve in the counterclockwise direction to shorten the flame. Some experiments specify that you must show the Bunsen burner with a hot or cool flame. To adjust the heat of the flame, you adjust the air intake. To make the flame hotter, turn on the barrel counterclockwise and allow increase of airflow. The flame color will indicate of its temperature. A hot flame is blue in color and a cool flame is yellow or orange in color. The hot flame is ready to use when the flame is dark blue in color with a lighter blue inner core. The inner core is the hottest part of the flame, and you will want to hold your material or vessel containing your material just over the inner core when heating. Remember to only handle the base of the barrel if the Bunsen burner is at the top portion. Will be very hot. Also be careful not to open the air intake valve too far as so much the air can blow out the flame. When you are finished using the Bunsen burner, turn on the air intake valve clockwise until the flame is yellow-orange, then turn on the gas needle valve counterclockwise until it is turned completely off and the flame goes out. Next, turn off the gas at the gas tap. Allow the Bunsen burner to cool before putting it away in the appropriate lab cabinet.